Well, good morning to you out there. This is Coach P, Jim Pusateri, and today's words of encouragement. Positive in equals positive out. Change your mindset. Yes, folks, they say 80% of the thoughts that come into your mind each and every day are negative. We need to learn how to change them to positive. Because a positive into your mindset will give you positive out. Because your mind controls your feelings, and your feelings control your actions. So if your mind is negative, your feelings are negative, your actions are negative, and many people don't want to be around negative people. You need to adopt positive thinking habits. You got to practice gratitude. You got to challenge yourself. You got to surround yourself with positive influences. All those things will give you a positive in. Thank you for listening to these words of encouragement, and be sure to listen to our complete podcast, which comes out every Wednesday. Have a great day.